I can't stop eating it. Hi, I'm David Hernandez and I'm from the Philippines. I'm the head chef of Sari Sari Filipino Kitchen, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do sisig. So our ingredients, we have onion, we have lemongrass, we have garlic, we have salt, pepper, and some slices, and ginger. So we'll just put some everything. We'll just put it inside the pot. So first we will slice this onion into 4. And then put it in a pot, and then we'll slice the ginger, and then for the garlic you'll just have to smash it. So we'll just put some peppercorn, and then some 2 stalks of lemongrass, some salt, and some slices. And then we're going to put the pig's head, which is the most important. So we use this because we were colonized by Spanish people for over 300 years. And then with some of the Filipinos are employed to cook for them, and they usually throw away this kind of parts of the meat. So Filipino improvised by doing a dish like sisig. So we put it inside the pot, and then we'll add water. So we're using pig's head because it is a cheap cut of meat, and also very flavorful because of the content of it on it. It has a lot of bones on it. At the same time, it has brains that you can use later with when you cook the sisig. So after we boil the head, we will chop it into small pieces, and then we will put some ingredients in it like soy sauce, salt, and pepper, and then we'll put it inside the oven to have that for about 30 minutes to have that crispy texture, and also it will become aromatic with other ingredients on it. And then that's the time that we will put it. After that, we will put it we will cook it again in a sizzling plate. So it's a very long process to get that flavor. So now we're going to cook it in a cast iron. We call it sizzling plate back in the Philippines. So we're going to put butter, and then we put this one. And then you put a little bit of soy sauce. And then normally in the Philippines, we put egg on it, raw egg on top of the sisig. And then later on, when you eat it, you mix it together with the meat. And then we'll put our eggs. And then we can garnish it with lemon to have that sour, tangy flavor. And then we'll put some chilies on it, and that's all. Transfer it into our plate here. Put it, and then this is how we serve our sisig. So the trick of eating sisig is you have to eat it while it's hot. So the egg will cook together with the meat. So you try to mix it together. And then you squeeze a little bit of lemon to it. So just like that. And then you put it here at the side. And then it's ready. You can eat it now. So what you will do, you will put the sisig on top of the rice and just eat it like that. Sorry. Really, just the right amount of spice, sourness of the lemon, and the tanginess of the ginger and onion on it, and just the right amount of salt as well, and seasoning. I think everyone will like sisig because it's very pleasant. Well, just don't consider that it's a pig's head, but you know, overall the taste is really very pleasant. And I think when you like to explore more of the Filipino food, sisig is the perfect dish to try. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more Filipino cuisine.
Nailed it. Perfect. Woo. Cool.